Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Scripted Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Bovada to your Cash App account. First of all, you need to open your Cash App and copy your Bitcoin address from Cash App. First of all, you need to click the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Then you need to open Bitcoin, scroll down until you will see Deposit Bitcoin. And when you click it, it will show you your Cash App Bitcoin address. You need to copy your Bitcoin address from Cash App and then you can close your account. After you will copy your Cash App Bitcoin address, you can open your Bovada account. Then you need to click the profile icon in the top right corner right here, guys. After that, you need to click the withdraw button right here. Then it will show you withdrawal options. From here, you need to choose the Bitcoin, as you can see right here. Then you need to select the amount you want to withdraw from Bovada to Cash App, and you need to provide your Bitcoin address right here. Just paste the Bitcoin address we just copied from Cash App account, and then click request withdrawal. It will send you verification code on your mobile phone. You need to enter this code and you will finalize the transaction. So that's how you can withdraw Bitcoin from Bovada to Cash App. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.